In 2025, the demand for Power BI developers is soaring across India. While metro cities continue to offer opportunities, Tier 2 cities are becoming lucrative hubs for data professionals. With competitive salaries and a lower cost of living, these cities provide the perfect balance for career growth. Let's explore the salary trends in 5 major Tier 2 cities for Power BI developers. Number 1. Pune, one of India's major tech-driven cities. Power BI developers here can expect salaries ranging from 6 to 12 lakhs per annum for mid-level roles. But if you have expertise in DAX, data modeling, and Azure integration, you can command a salary of up to 18 lakhs per annum. Pune's thriving analytics market ensures exciting opportunities for skilled professionals. Number 2. Ahmedabad, a city with a rapidly growing IT sector. Mid-level Power BI developers can earn between 5 to 10 lakhs per annum, while senior developers with strong BI and analytics expertise can reach salaries of 15 lakhs or more. If you're skilled in data storytelling and business intelligence, Ahmedabad is a great place to be. Number 3. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is another emerging city for Power BI professionals. Developers here typically earn 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. However, if you have experience in report automation, data visualization, and performance optimization, your salary can rise to 14 lakhs per annum. Number 4. Coimbatore. Coimbatore is a rising tech hub that offers Power BI developer salaries between 4.5 to 9 lakhs per annum. For those in senior roles handling complex data transformations and end-to-end dashboard development, salaries can reach 13 to 15 lakhs. The city's growing analytics landscape makes it a promising destination. Number 5. Jaipur, where Power BI developers earn between 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. But with experience in SQL, Power Query, and advanced DAX, salaries can go up to 12 to 14 lakhs per annum. Jaipur's expanding analytics market makes it a hot spot for data professionals looking to grow their careers. Power BI is opening doors to high-paying jobs in India's Tier 2 cities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, there are immense opportunities waiting for you. Which city would you prefer to work in? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on tech careers. If you want to connect with me, click the link in the description.